Alright everybody, welcome back. We're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Rubicon, brand spanking new. I'm liking the black. Now, the guy that owns this was talking to me earlier, and he says he's the only Rubicon Gladiator in the world with this winch on the front. So, I said I'm going to come over here and film it, and I know my fans on YouTube are going to let us know. Anyways, let's take a look at it. Looking really sweet. Man, this thing is really decked out here. You got a camera in the front, right? Now this winch is not like any winch I've seen at the Wrangler lot. Mr. Rubin, now tell me, what is special about this winch here?
That's a WARN 8274.
WARN 8274, okay.
Classic winch.
Uh-huh.
This is the 70th anniversary edition, so it's a little. They're only made 999 of them.
Wow.
And it's a 10,000 pound winch versus the old original's 8,000 winch. And it's got an all-bright solenoid in it, which is a little bit better than the regular solenoids. So it's a really fast winch. It gets up and goes.
Now, did you purchase this winch specifically for your...
I bought the winch knowing I was going to put it on this Jeep.
Okay.
I had to take this factory. This is a factory Rubicon bumper, 3-piece winch bumper.
Right.
That I cut out to fit this winch.
Right.
And I had another bracket made, built.
Custom made so it'll fit on here.
So it fits on there. And then I set this out for powder coating so that, so that it looks good.
Right.
Cut marks.
So when he says it's the only one in the world, now I'm starting to believe that he's probably pretty accurate there on that one.
And I had to install, because of the winch, I wanted battery power.
Right.
So I did a dual battery kit with the dual Odyssey batteries.
Okay.
So that I can run the winch and keep good power, then run the ARB refrigerator in the back.
Oh wow, ARB refrigerator. Can you show us that?
Sure.
This is getting interesting. What is all the stuff on top of this battery? I've never seen this before.
What these are, this is a dual battery. This is a battery here, this is a battery here, and this is a solenoid.
Oh, okay.
This is a relay pack. So what happens is when this energizes, when one of these batteries, I don't know which one it is, one of these batteries is low,
okay, this
engages and ties the batteries together. So when the alternator charges both batteries. So when you're parked and the refrigerator's running or something like that, one of these batteries can run down to zero, and you can push this button and it will engage the battery so you can start the Jeep and give you power to start it.
Nice. Perfect for a day like today.
Perfect like a day like today.
All right.
Especially if you're...
Let's take a look at this. Is really cool, everybody. I hope you're enjoying our video here on YouTube today. That's okay. Now, ARB makes some nice stuff. I did not know they made refrigerators, though. Power tailgate as well?
No, this is spring-loaded.
Oh, it is? Okay. It seemed like it was power almost for a minute, but, holy moly. Well, we got a copyright strike.
38 degrees. You set it for whatever you want.
Right. 38 degrees in this.
You can turn it down to zero if you want. Of course, cold drinks. No more ice, no more water sloshing around the cooler, no more wet sandwiches.
So this is putting the Yeti cooler to shame here, isn't it? This is some new technology here.
And watch this.
Okay.
It's got its own Bluetooth. Let me turn Bluetooth on.
This is cool, everybody. I mean, you're only seeing stuff like this on our channel.
So basically, this is a Bluetooth on my phone here, and I could tell the cooler to turn on or off, or I could set temperatures as to whatever I want to do.
Oh wow, wait, that's cool.
So if I want to turn it down to say 0, I dial this to 0 here, minus, 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 minus. Let's just say 29 degrees. And that was set at what? 38, right?
Yep.
So I push OK to 29.
Okay, let's take a look
Give
here.
it a second here.
Oh, it's already moving within a second. Yeah.
Now, what it's doing now is it's 38. That's the temperature is inside.
Right.
Then you push this button, and that tells you what temperature it's set at.
Okay, and it's going to start dropping down in temperature.
So
wow.
The little power light comes on, means the compressor's running. And this will come down, and I promise you in probably 15 minutes, it'll be at 29 degrees. As hot as it is today, it'll come down to...
Now, is there a name for this ARB cooler here, or just
fridge cooler?
And do you mind letting us know? I mean, what is the price on something like that? 1,500 maybe, or
no, it's around $800 or $900.
Okay, so it's
depending on which model you get. This is the 37.
Okay.
I had the 55, which was too tall. So I wanted something that fit short. So I sold my other one and got this.
Okay.
So the reason why is because the tonneau cover comes down.
Right.
It's basically
Oh, it's right under there.
it's covered up. You don't have to.
And this tonneau cover can lock.
This is factory tonneau cover.
Okay. Okay, it latches right into there and boom. Nice. There you go. And you got your ARB cooler in there. You good to go off-roading, whatever you want to do.
Lash it down before you go off-roading.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
I know, appreciate that. Yeah. Now, this is a 2019 or 2020? Okay. Okay, so the Gladiator 2020, and that's right. And you purchased it in Charleston, South Carolina, at the Hendrick store or no Hoover?
Hoover in Somerville.
There you go. All right, give a little shout out to Hoover today. Cool. Thank you for your time. It's beautiful. Yeah. Go see Mark Hoover. Yes, sir. Thank you. Awesome. All right, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you think of the Rubicon. That's right. It's beauty. It really is. Do you own one? If you do, let us know in the comments section. I know some of y'all guys out there are going to really be hyped up about that ARB cooler. I know I am. So let us know. Do you have one? And what about this winch? Isn't that something unique? That's really cool. And just a little backdrop story. This guy's a hardcore Jeeper. He's been loving Jeeps for so long. And he's got a YJ and just all kinds of really cool stuff. So, you know, it's a heritage thing. Like he was telling me earlier, you know, he's been around Jeeps since he was a kid. It starts in the family and just kind of keeps moving. So there you go, guys. Let's go find another Jeep here today at Jeep Island in Hilton Head, South Carolina. We hope you're enjoying these videos.